Hello everyone, welcome to Educate Nexus. So in today's lesson, we'll be learning how to add automatic table of contents to your reports. Before we commence, let us have a brief discussion on headings in Word document. So Word document has three types of headings. We have heading 1, followed by heading 2, and then heading 3. So heading 1 serves as the superior heading, and heading 2 is the subheading of heading 1. And we have heading 3, which is the subheading of heading 2. So heading 1 is the biggest of all, followed by heading 2, and then heading 3. As said earlier, these are the various forms of headings in Word document. The first page of my report is left blank on purpose. This is because I will be inserting the table of contents on this particular page. Before we can insert our table of contents, we first of all need to indicate the type of headings that will be used for various topics. So first of all, the principal heading will take the heading 1 and the subheadings will take heading 2. We then repeat this for all the various headings and subheadings, and when we are done, we can now generate our table of contents. So you see, our headings now look different from the rest of the text, but we can still make necessary modifications to it. Now to do this, you right-click on the Headings tab and select Modify. Then you can make changes to your color and your text, but we will stick to the default style. Now, to insert our table of contents, we place the mouse cursor on the page we want to insert the table and click on Reference. Then move to the options and select the table we want. Then we are good to go. So you see there are three different types of tables there. The first two are automatic tables. For the manual one, you have to input the various numbers and the rest into it manually. Our table has now been created with just few clicks, but we can still make necessary changes to it as we please. Even though this is an automatic table, once we make any changes, we have to make updates to it. So to do this, we click on the table and select Update the entire table. This makes necessary changes and changes the table according to the changes you've made in your document. And we are done. And that is how to create an automatic table in Word document.